Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Got something new from Trader Joe's. These are Trader Joe's mini almost everything bagel sandwich crackers with cream cheese filling. I don't know why the almost is in between mini and everything. Does that mean it's almost everything bagel or are they mini almost? Well, we'll see. I'm gonna open these up, try them out live for you. I did not open that neatly. Oh, they smell exactly like everything bagels with cream cheese. And they do look very mini. And I have done the math. You get 8 of these for 150 calories, which means they are about 19 calories each. And we're going to try them out right now. So looking at them, they do look a lot like little bagels. They have an indentation where a little bagel hole would be. And there's some kind of like a cream cheese dupe in the middle. Have to give it some time to set in. They taste really good. They're slightly sweet. I'm not getting all of the flavors that I would get in an everything bagel. Tastes almost like an onion bagel. I'm getting onion and garlic, and that cream cheese, that little cheese center, really, really, really does a good job of making you feel like you're eating a bagel and cream cheese. And they're super cute. You get all of these. And again, they're about 19 calories each. I like them. Good work, Trader Joe's. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.